At one time, he was a gang leader in South Australia. Arms and drug dealing were his main occupations. He was one of the terrorists on the police list. His power easily turned into the eyesore of different gangs. But this man is now known all over the world as Imran Abdul Salam, a generous and truthful person. He was celebrating pure religious life. Stay tuned with us throughout the video to know why and how he changed. Venus Focarelli, born in Italy in 1985. When he was 12 years old, he immigrated to Australia. It was there that he discovered himself as a notorious motorcycle gang leader. The head of the infamous South Australian motorcycle gang told the story of his changed life in an interview published in the Adelaide-based daily The Advisor. He came to Malaysia from Australia and chose a completely different lifestyle. In gangster life, Focarelli risked almost all kinds of deaths. In 2012, Vince Focarelli was shot 4 times in a gang shooting. He survived the voyage, but unfortunately lost his honest son Giovanni forever. Not only that, the police administration sent him to jail for being involved in various crimes. Even firearms and drugs cases were filed against Vince Focarelli. He was released on parole in April 2013 after 14 months of imprisonment. At that time, his idea about life changed. He thought, no, not living such a critical life. Now it's your turn to bring yourself out of the darkness. The thought is the work. Meanwhile, Vince's step-4 cancer-stricken mother moved to Malaysia from Australia that year. So Vince decided to move in with his mother. He is survived by his wife and daughter. In an interview published in The Advisor, he said that he considers himself incomplete by leaving his wife and daughter in Australia. His life will be fulfilled when he gets close to his wife and daughter. He plans to come to Malaysia and sort out the newly ruined life. He thought what he will do. One day, he go to the office of the Federal Territories Mufti. The Mufti embraced Vince generously. After listening to everything, he explained about life and the greatness of Islam. Also advised talking to children and adolescents. Vince seemed to find peace in the Mufti generous embrace. Having such guardianship of Islam, he felt the greatness of Islam, the chosen religion of Allah. Then he fell in love with Allah. He converted to Islam. Imran Abdul Salam changed his name. His journey on the path of Islam, the religion of peace, is now an inspiration to many. He encouraged the endangered to live a planned and beautiful life. Many in the world are now his devoted fans and followers. In 2016, he publicly announced his conversion to Islam. He then opened a halal restaurant called La Fig Casina, which feeds the homeless for free every week. Also donates to the local Muslim community. Not only that, but he also has the idea of separating La Figa support worldwide. Under his project, 100 to 1,000 affordable halal products are supplied to Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Brunei. which will reduce the living cost of millions of low-income Muslims. He sees the new religion as the key to his life and family freedom from crime. He believes if you do something good will come back to you. Hope you like our video today. If you like the video, press like, comment to give your opinion. Stay tuned for the next video by subscribing. Finally, stay happy, stay good.